welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then hello and welcome. For today's video, we are doing a PR unboxing. I have here a bunch of packages that I've received this week that we're gonna open. I have a lot of fun stuff here that I haven't touched yet that I'm really excited about. So if you guys are ready, let's dig into some of these PR packages. Get into this week has Lancome stickers all over it. So this came over from Lancome. So the box inside of the box has a nice little ribbon on it. There's so many products in here. This is so sweet. Okay, so the first thing in here is the Monsieur Big Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. Awesome. There's the waterproof one in here too. I have yet to try this one out. I've been wanting to get it actually. So we have both of those. That's a really good mascara if you guys haven't tried it. Also in here, this is a youth activating concentrate serum. So anything from Lancome that is skincare, I am obsessed with. I've tried so many different products from them that have really tremendously helped my skin. Also in here we have the Bifocal, I believe it's called. I use this stuff. I actually just ran out of this, so that was awesome that they included it in this package because this is one of my favorite eye makeup removers. It gets off everything. I love, love, love this one. Also in here we have, this is a mask, a Hydra Intense mask, gel mask. Love some skincare. And let's see what else. There's so many things in this box. Oh my gosh, so we have the Absolute powder. This is in Absolute Pearl. I have the Absolute Petch one. I actually just recently bought this from Lancome. And this is like a radiant smoothing primer. Absolutely love the other shade that I have. So this is like a little bit of a darker shade. That is so cool. And then also in here, there's so many things. The Macaroon blush and blender. So this is actually a blush, and then this little one here is actually a blender to apply it. This one is in the shade Coral Whipped Cream Blush. So this is so cute. And then let's see what else. We have the XXL or the XL Booster. This is a lash primer. I've actually tried this before. And then also the Hypnose Drama Mascara. And then we have 3 different shades of their matte shaker lipsticks. This one is in Pink Boo. I've yet to try these out, but I've been hearing a lot of people say they like them. The packaging is so cool. All right, so let me swatch this one. Isn't that weird? So it's like a little sponge-like applicator. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be really hydrating actually. There's a swatch of that one. And then there's like 2 different colors in here as well. And then we have a Prismatic Plump. This is a lip gloss, a plumping lip gloss. And then there is 2 more things in here. So we have the Perfecting Makeup Primer. And then the last thing in here is the Tintoli Ultra Wear Foundation. This is in the shade Bisque, which I believe is the shade that I had. They must have tried to find the best one for me, but I absolutely love this foundation. It is one of my favorites. And yeah, this is so overwhelming. That was so many products. Thank you, Lancome. I cannot wait to try out all of these goodies. That last package was so surreal. To get something from Lancome is just crazy to me. I've been using their products for so many years, and to get recognition from a brand that you love so much, it makes me want to cry. I know it sounds dumb, but it's just so nice to be recognized from brands that you just adore, and that's a brand that I've been using for years, so that package was really special to me. The next one I have here is from Summer Essentials, and they sent over some different products from some different companies for me to try. The first one I'm pulling out is from BIODERMA, and this is a cellular bio protection. It's a refreshing after sun milk. Ooh, so it's gonna be like a sunburn type of like relaxer, I guess, after sun. So I actually need this for my husband because he's been doing yard work so much and he's getting so sunburned every day. I'm like, honey, wear your sunscreen. So this is really good, actually, perfect for me because I can put that on him after he comes in from the sun. And then also from BIODERMA, this is a moisturizing tanning spray. I didn't even know they made this. So this is a tanning spray. This is exciting. I'm always into finding new tanners, and I actually didn't even know they made any. The next thing I am pulling out is from PURLISSE, and this is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. I absolutely love this. I've used it so many times, so it's nice to have a little restock on that product. And let's see what else is in here. Ooh, we have an eyeshadow palette. So this is from NOMAD. Let me see what this looks like. Packaging on this palette is gorgeous. And then we have, ooh, this is actually like a large pan palette. So we have 4 different shades inside of here. Let me swatch them for you guys. Here are the swatches. So this is the Light Infusion palette, and it says here that these can be used on your eyes or on your face as like highlighters or toppers or blushes. And the swatches look gorgeous, especially that purple shade. That's gonna be perfect for like summer looks. That is a gorgeous palette. Next in here from Raw Elements, there is this broad spectrum SPF. So this is a water resistant SPF 30. There is so many products in here. We have a couple things from PATCHOLOGY. You guys know that I love them. So we have the Hydrating Lip Gels, which are one of my favorites. I love these because you only have to wear them for 5 minutes and they really help kind of smooth everything out and really hydrate your lips. And then we also have the Lip Service, which I also have been using. And this is a lip treatment that you can wear, but it's kind of glossy. So I even like wearing that just when I'm running out really quickly, wearing it as a lip gloss, and it really helps. Same thing, really hydrate your lips. The next thing is from Yurok. I believe I'm saying that right. This is a dry shampoo styling powder. So it's gonna be a dry shampoo in a powder form. I don't think I really have too many of those, so that'll be interesting to try. And then also in here, ooh, this is a brush from BDELLIUM Tools, I believe. That is the name of it, yes. This is the 968 face brush. I've heard a lot of people say really good things about their brushes. And then, wow, this is crazy. This package is huge. So this has a bunch of different masks in here. So this is from LAPCOS, and it says they have a brightening variety. So there's 7 different masks plus an exfoliating pad. So there is a ton of different masks in here, a milk, a honey, pearl, charcoal, aloe, aqua, and a collagen mask, as well as a milk peel. That is a ton of masks in one little bag here. That's awesome. And I believe we have one more product in here. This is from Stellar Beauty. I absolutely love Stellar. I love a ton of their products. Their Limitless foundation is one of my favorite foundations. So this is the Solar palette. Look at how gorgeous. Let me swatch a few of these shades. I really like their eyeshadow palettes too because the formula of them is just really, really buttery and really gorgeous. Here are a few swatches. You can tell that it's very, very pigmented. I like it because, like I said, they're super buttery and easy to work with. That was a really, really generous package. There is a ton of different brands in here that I've never tried before. So that's always super exciting. So huge thank you to Beauty Essentials team for sending over so many amazing products for me to try out. The next box I just opened is from MAC Cosmetics. They have really been spoiling me lately. This is the tribute line to Alea. And wow, this is crazy. Let me show you guys the packaging for this. It has to be one of the prettiest packages I've ever gotten. This is so gorgeous. Let me open it up for you guys. On the card here, there is a beautiful message from her sister. This is so sweet. And then the inside we have here, there's like, whoop, there's a little compartment, I guess, or like a little purse-like thing. This is so pretty. There is a bandana in here. The colors of this are gorgeous. And then, wow, this collection is huge. So there is a eyeshadow palette. The packaging on this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, fun. So it's like one of their little 9-pan shadows. That's nice. And then let's see what else there is. There is so many products that are in here. So we have here, let me set them all down. We have here a bronzer. So this is in Baby Girl. Ooh, that looks pretty. It looks like it has a little bit of flex in it. If you guys want to see a full review on this collection, let me know. There's a quick little swatch of the bronzer. There's also 4 different lipsticks. Let me show you guys one of the shades here. This is beautiful. So this is like a vampy shade. The packaging on these is so, so pretty. And then we also have 4 different lip glosses. This one here looks absolutely gorgeous. That's gonna be like a beautiful, beautiful gloss. And then lastly, there's also 2 different lip pencils to go with the collection. This is so pretty. Like I said, let me know if you guys want like a review on this or first impressions where I can go more in depth and swatch everything for you and talk about the formula and everything. Thank you so much to MAC for this package. The next box we're gonna get into, it came over from Influencer and Maybelline. If you guys do not know what Influencer is, it is an app where you guys can review products. Anyone can sign up for it. And also there is reviews on the app as well. So anytime you want to know about any product, there's hundreds and thousands of reviews on Influencer. I will link down below where you can sign up. But this is 2 different things from Maybelline in here. So we have introducing our first oil in lipstick with indulgent color and luscious shine. So this is the Shine Compulsion lipstick. And then also in here, there is a lip liner. The packaging on this lipstick is so gorgeous. Let me swatch it for you guys. Oh, that's a pretty color. So it's gonna have a nice little sheer look to it. And then let me show you guys the matching lip liner. So there is the lip liner right next to it. I can't wait to try out this formula. It looks really nice. It looks like it's gonna have like a nice kind of sheen to it and be really comfortable on the lips. So hopefully this is a gorgeous color. Thank you to Influencer and Maybelline. This next box I just opened has me so excited. So this is from POUTCASE. Wait till you guys see what this is. My mind, when they said they wanted to send me, or they reached out to me and they're like, hey, like this is what our product is. Would you wanna try it? I was like, yes, absolutely. This idea is so genius and this is so innovative. I cannot wait to show you guys. So let me put it all together and then I'll show you guys what it is. Okay, so that took me a second to like put together, but there is like instructions and everything on here, you guys. So this is a phone case. And I know you're probably like, why are you opening a phone case? What's so cool about that? So it's from Pout, and watch what happens when I slide this out. Let me close my phone so you guys don't see. What? There is makeup inside of this phone case. You can customize your own palette. You can fit 3 different products inside of here. So I have here a foundation, a lipstick, and a highlight. And this phone case seems like pretty sturdy. It is plastic. I'm curious to see how well the products will like stay in here and everything, but let me see how even the products perform. Let's swatch the highlight. So here is the highlight that actually looks really pretty. And then we have a cream lip color. And that one looks more like a super sheer kind of lip. I think this is supposed to be more like a lip balm. I believe they had different lip products you could choose from, like liquid lipsticks and stuff. That one didn't swatch the best. And then we also have a foundation. So hopefully this will be, yeah, actually it looks like a pretty good shade match. So we have a foundation as well. And you kind of just slide this like back into your phone. So you always have makeup products with you. And this is a super cute case too. How cool is that? This is seriously amazing. Thank you to Pout for sending this over. I cannot wait to try out the actual makeup products, and this could change my life. Like, I already know. Foundation on the go. You guys always have your phone with you. I always have my phone with me. So this could be a game changer. I'm gonna link them down below, of course, but this is so cool. And then the last package I have here came over from Quebella, and they restocked me on 2 of my favorite masks from them. So we have the moisturizing gel eye masks. I love these because they come with 3 pairs in each set. So they're just 3 different individual eye patches. These are super hydrating on your skin. And then also one of my favorite masks from them, this is the Intense Hydrating Seaweed Hydrogel Mask. And I love this one. I like it because it's 2 different pieces, so you can apply it 2 different ways, and I feel like those personally fit better on my skin. It's really hydrating, and it's really nice. So they really stocked me up on these. Thank you to Quebella. I am already gonna dig into these right after I wash off my makeup because this is so good for my skin. So thank you guys. All right guys, and that's gonna do it for this week's PR haul and unboxing. A massive thank you to the brands I included in today's video. You guys are so sweet. These packages were so overwhelming and generous. I'm truly appreciative. And of course, thank you to you guys for making this all possible for me. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys go, and I'll see you on Monday's video. Bye guys.